If you're looking for an AI-powered tool that removes backgrounds in seconds with precision, you've probably heard of Remove Background by PicsArt AI. But is it really as good as it sounds? In this review, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about this brand new tool. And by the end, you'll know whether it's the right solution for you, especially if you're new to AI-powered image editing. First off, the ease of use. This tool makes background removal so effortless, even a complete beginner can jump right in. You simply upload an image, and within seconds, the AI does its magic, removing backgrounds with incredible accuracy. No technical skills required. And what's even better, you can use it completely free. Just click the link in the description to try it out yourself. Now, let's talk about precision. One of the standout features of Remove Background by PicsArt AI is its ability to handle complex images. It doesn't just remove backgrounds in the easiest scenarios, it works even with tricky edges, like hair, transparent objects, or uneven shapes. If you've tried other tools in the past, you know how frustrating it can be when an AI messes up the details. With this software, I've found it's pretty spot on most of the time. But what about speed? Time is everything in today's fast-paced digital world, and Remove Background by PicsArt AI is incredibly fast. Even large images that would take forever to process on some other platforms are done in seconds. This is a huge plus, especially for anyone running a business or managing a project where quick edits are essential. Another cool feature is its batch processing ability. Yes, you heard that right. You can remove the backgrounds from multiple images all at once. This makes it ideal for marketers, social media managers, or anyone who needs to edit large quantities of photos in bulk. It's a huge time saver and something many other similar tools don't offer. As for customization, Remove Background by PicsArt AI doesn't just leave you with a cutout image. You can tweak and adjust the output, fine-tuning it to your exact needs. You can add custom backgrounds, resize images, or even add effects that make the final image pop. So whether you're working on a professional project or just having fun with some personal photos, you've got the creative flexibility to make the image exactly how you want. Now let's talk pricing. Although it's completely free to use, there's also a paid option that gives you access to even more advanced features. If you find yourself needing more than basic background removal, or if you want to remove watermarks, the Pro version could be worth it. But for most people, the free version will likely be more than enough. Lastly, one feature I appreciate is the user-friendly interface. You don't need to worry about dealing with complicated software or endless settings. Everything is intuitive and it's easy to navigate. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, the experience is smooth and seamless, making it accessible for users at all levels. So, is Remove Background by PicsArt AI worth it? Absolutely. It's a powerful, user-friendly tool that can save you hours of manual editing, and it's one of the best I've seen for background removal. And since you can try it for free, there's no reason not to give it a shot. If you're looking for a quick, effective, and easy way to edit your images, this is definitely a tool you should check out. And don't forget, I've linked my recommended AI software below, so you can try out even more powerful tools I've tested after going through thousands of them. Give it a go, and let me know how it works for you.